Hi students, this is Alex here. In this video, we are going to find the area bounded by the curve and the line. So this curve is a parabola which is open upward, and this is a line. For plotting this line, we have to take 2 points. So let us take the line equation x is equal to 4y minus 2, and we have to take x and y. So in this x and y, we have to get 2 points, so that using those 2 points we can plot in the rough graph. So usually we take one value of x as 0, other value of y as 0. When I substitute x as 0 here, when I put 0 here, if x equal to 0, then 0 equal to 4y minus 2, and this minus 2 is carried to the other side. Then 4 is taken to the division on the other side. So we get the value of y, which is after cancelling 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. So one point is x comma y, which is 0 comma half. The same way, if I take y as 0, in this equation we get x is equal to 4 into 0 minus 2, and totally it is only minus 2. So there is minus 2 here. So this is minus 2 comma 0. So now we are going to plot the rough graph. We take x-axis and y-axis, and the graph is, first part is a parabola, and which is open upward. So let's take the parabola. It is open upward and its vertex is at the origin. So like this. And coming to this line, we have to plot 0 comma half and minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0 will be somewhere here. 0 comma half will be somewhere here. So when we join this, we get the line, and we have to extend it further on both the sides. And no need to write these points in the graph, because these points are used only to draw the graph. And for the limit, we will be having a separate point. So the area which we are going to find is this. And these two curves are meeting at this point and this point. Let's write the equation of the top region. I want to write the equation in terms of, that is, y is equal to. From this equation, when I rewrite, x is equal to 4y minus 2. When x is equal to 4y minus 2, we have to get what is y. So the minus 2 is taken to the other side. So it is x plus 2 is 4y, and the 4 will come as a division. X plus 2 by 4 is y. So here it is x plus 2 divided by 4. In the same way, I want y from the parabola, which is x square by 4. So it is a bottom boundary. So y equal to x square by 4. Now these two meeting point, I have to drop it in the x-axis. For finding these points, we have to equate both the y. Already both the y we have written in the graph itself, top boundary and bottom boundary. So equating both y, so it means x plus 2 by 4 is x square by 4. We can cancel these two, and this both the term is taken to the other side. Already we have x square, and this becomes minus x, this becomes minus 2 when taken to the same side of x square, which is equal to 0. Now we have to split the middle term. Product is minus 2 and sum is minus 1. So the numbers are 2 and 1, but it is minus 2 and plus 1. Then only the product is minus 1, and when we add we get minus 1. So this middle term is splitted using these two numbers. So it is x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now taking x common from the first two terms, it is x minus 2, and the last two terms is written as it is. Now taking x minus 2 common, we get two factors, x minus 2 and x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now both the factor we have to equate separately to 0. From this we get x as 2, and from the other one we get minus 1. So 2 and minus 1. So obviously 2 will be on the right hand side. So this is 2 comma 0, and minus will be on the left hand side, minus 1 comma 0. Now for this, the area is, we have to take the limit from -1 to 2 because the shaded region's left extreme is -1 and right extreme is 2. So the limit is from -1 to 2 and we have to take the top boundary and subtract the bottom boundary and we have to put dx. And already top boundary and bottom boundary is written in the graph itself. So let's substitute. So now the area will be -1 to 2. Top boundary is x plus 2 by 4. So x plus 2 by 4 and bottom boundary is, from the graph, it is x square by 4. And both the denominators are same and that can be taken outside the integration. So we get 1 by 4 integral -1 to 2 and the rest of the terms are x plus 2 minus x square dx. We are going to integrate this using the basic formula. X power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This formula can be used when n is not equal to -1. Whenever we have some constant, its integration is constant into x plus c. So the first term, when it is x, it is x power 1. So the value of n is 1. So let us write the 1 by 4 outside. Then x power 1 is, after integration, x power 1 plus 1 is 2. So x square by 2 plus 2 is a constant. So when constant is integrated, we have to put constant into x. Then x square. Now the value of n is 2. When I substitute here, 2 plus 1 is 3. So x power 3 by 3. Then the limit is from -1 to 2. So totally outside we have 1 by 4. Let us substitute the upper limit in place of x. So it is 2 square by 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 cube by 3. So we completed the upper limit. Minus lower limit, we have to substitute -1 in place of x. So -1 whole square by 2 plus 2 into -1 minus of -1 whole cube by 3 and bracket close. Now coming to the simplification, this is 1 by 4. First term is 2 square by 2 is 2. Then this is 2 into 2 is 4 and this is -8 by 3. And coming to the second part, this is 1 by 2 minus 2. -1 whole cube is -1. Already there is a minus, so it becomes plus 1 by 3. Then finally, this is 1 by 4. We can add these two. 6 minus 8 by 3. Let's take this minus sign for all the terms. So -1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 3. Now we can combine these two terms. -8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is -9 by 3. So 6, and we can combine these two. 6 plus 2. Then we have -1 by 2 in the middle. Then we have -8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now combining these two and these two separately, we are going to get 1 by 4 and this is 8 minus 1 by 2. This is -9 by 3. After division we get -3. So totally this is 1 by 4, 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Again we can combine these two. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 1 by 4, 5 minus 1 by 2. We are going to take LCM. So our LCM is 2 and 5 are 10 minus 1, which is 9 in the numerator, and the denominator totally 4 are 8. So 9 by 8 area, so it is square units. So the required area which is bounded between these two curve and the line which is plotted in the diagram, and its value is 9 by 8 square units.